Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and if this didn't give you a little clue, it is time to unbox the latest Nerdy Crafter craft kit. This comes from Muse. It arrived in my house yesterday. I am super excited and I cannot wait to get in and show you all of the crafty goodies inside this box. So come along with me, join me on the journey, and maybe at the end of this you'll decide to pop on over to the website and purchase your own. So come on Salty, time to have a look in the box. Here it is, the Figure It Out craft kit. Now let's get it out of this cardboard box and see what's inside. This is the bottom of the box, but oh my goodness, just look at those colours. And yes, I did paint my nails, especially to match. So we have got this pretty hefty box. Evie's got some weight to it and is actually struggling to stay closed. It is bursting at the seams. So here we go. A special collaboration between Nerdy Crafter and Muse Kits. Barricading myself for me time. So we're going to customize our bear, add paints to the pour cup. Time to pour, show off your unbearably cute creation. So this kit is going to be about paint pouring, decorating bears, and is going to be filled, I'm sure, with bear puns. So, in true Jackie Nerdy Crafter style, I am pretty sure that this is going to include everything you need. But the first thing I want to get to, I can see here. Now, each kit comes with a little blind bag of stickers. You can, when you order the kit, you can choose to order extra packs of stickers if you want. Extra packs of stickers were an extra $3.99, and you could add 3 extra sticker packs for $9.99. I didn't do that. I'm sort of wishing that I had now though. So now you get to open these with me. So there are 9 regular stickers and 1 holographic sticker to collect. They are berry motivational mystery sticker packs. So let's have a go. Opens very nicely. Let's get these out. So we have got the bear. We have got the burrito. We've got bacon and eggs. We've got cheeseburger. These are fabulous. Bearable tea instead of bubble tea. And thank you very much. Your love and support mean the world to me. How cute. I like these a lot. So those are the stickers that I got, the 5 stickers plus the thank you card. Didn't get any hollow ones, but I do love them all. And if anybody else out there wants to, has stickers that they don't want or has doubles, feel free to contact me. I would be happy to take some off your hands. So yeah, I'm pleased with those. I'm going to stick them back in their packet for safekeeping. Because anyone that knows me knows that I don't stick stickers anywhere, because that's like commitment. I don't do that. Okie dokes, let's get into the craft kit itself. So the Figure It Out kit was $99.99, and shipping to the UK was $15. So it's not cheap, but I know the quality of her kits. I know that she wouldn't put out something that she didn't believe in, and so I'm willing to pay it. And this is a craft I've never tried, so it's not like I'm buying a kit for something that I've already got. I'm buying a kit that's completely new. We've got our stirry sticks and we've got a resealable bag. We have got 2 packs of nitrile gloves, medium and large. I'm not sure how many is in each pack. We'll have a look at that in a bit. We've got 2 paint collection trays. They are silicone, I believe. A sanding stick. A sharp pointy thing. With spare blades. Very nice indeed. We've got our paint pouring cup, and we've got 2 of those. They are sectioned off. I don't have any sectioned off cups, so this will be really interesting to try, not just with this kit, but also with my resin. We have got Deco Art Fluid Ready to Pour paint in the colours of, what have we got? So we've got blue violet, we've got aquamarine, we've got gold metallic, and we've got jet black. In this one, we have got red, lemon, what's that one? True blue and white. So that's plenty of colours to make any other shade that you would want to. We have got a set of 3 detail brushes in the sizes there. So we've got 0, 2, 0 and 3. We've got a little bit of Elmer's glue. We have got some super soft air dry clay. We have got 3 silicone pouring pots, 6 canvases to collect our leftover paint. This specially designed stand for drying the bears, and I will show you how to put that together in a bit. This is way heavier than I expected. This is metal and it's got weight to it. It's not plastic and cheap. We have got a spatula, work surface protector, and our little bear figures. So, how do we open these? So, key rings. And here are our little bears. Let's pop one out. So these are a hollow plastic. They've got the little keyring attachment on the top, and the idea is then that we are going to do a paint pour over the top of these, catching the runoff onto a canvas, and then they will be decorated and used as key rings. So I'm super excited about this. I think it's going to be great. Yeah, I'm very excited. Let me show you the stand to give you an idea. There's my own sharp pointy thing. So I am not gonna pour paint in this video. I want to go away and watch the instruction video and see how it's all done. I think that's the most important thing for me. So yeah, this is our stand that we can and then hang up our little bears using the keyring hooks so that they will hang underneath. That way all the paint can drip off. So yeah, I am pleased with that. I think it's great. can't wait to get started. But yeah, like I say, I'm not going to do that in this video. I just wanted to share the initial unboxing and my initial feelings with you so that you still had time to go and get your own if it's something that you are interested in. I will pop links down below, of course, to the Muse website where you can get these. They are still available, but just until they're sold out. So if you want one, it's obviously too late now to get one for Christmas, but if somebody hasn't got you a gift yet, say that you're happy to wait, but they need to buy it now. Or if you know that you're getting some Christmas money or some gifted money, then this would be a worthy way to spend it, because this is going to give you hours and hours of crafting enjoyment, and you know, maybe even allow you to make gifts for other people, so you could have your future gift giving for the rest of the year sorted for you. So yeah, thanks for joining me for this teeny tiny little unboxing. It was a pretty quick one, but like I say, I just wanted to get it out there as quick as possible and let you know that these are still available, and you need to go and grab one while you still can, because you do not want to be missing out. And of course, don't forget that there are the collectible stickers in every pack, and you can choose to order more with your set if you want to. So I think I've said everything I need to. Thanks for joining me. Do head over to Nerdy Crafter's channel and say hi from me. Tell her I sent you. I am such a big fan and a huge supporter, and she deserves all of the love and all of the success. So if you've not already subscribed to me, please do consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it super helps out the channel, as does leaving a like, a share or a comment. Of course, you can come over to Facebook, join the Crafty Coven and find out what we've got going on over there. And if you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can find me on Patreon. So that's all from me for today. Until next time, stay crafty.